Welcome back to another episode of Fast Track, driven by current, powered by GE. I'm Nicole, and today I'm here with Brian Perdue, Senior Product Manager at GE. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Nicole.
So I hear you have a new product you're going to tell us about. What is it?
Well, Nicole, today I'm excited to review GE's new HID Type B LED replacement for a 1,000-watt metal halide. These lamps will provide an easy way to leverage the low energy and long life of LED in industrial, warehouse, commercial, and outdoor applications. The existing fixture is wired to bypass the ballast, which reduces energy use and eliminates the need to check ballast compatibility. Additional maintenance savings are realized by removing costs associated with purchasing and installing ballast.
This really sounds great. What other key features can you tell us about or benefits that end users might be interested in?
Sure. First, using a 1,000-watt system energy saves over $3,400 in energy cost over the rated life of the lamp, based on 11-cent kilowatt hour. Second, it has 2.5 times longer life. The GE LED has a 50,000 hour rated life at L70 versus traditional metal halide of 20,000 hours. Additional key features that end users will love are their versatile, uses existing fixture optics, flexible use, universal burn, instant-on brightness, rated for open and closed fixtures, and a temperature rating from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius.
Wow, did you guys design anything else that makes life easier for end users?
We sure did, Nicole. For safety, we are including a tether kit that will provide the fall protection needed if they experience bad fixture sockets, arcing, or environmental issues. Additionally, we have included an inline fuse for protection against misapplication. We also included a support kit that will provide extra support for horizontal applications. When installing the tether and support kit and inline fuse, please read the installation guide provided in the kit completely and carefully. Also, the lamp has a robust construction with metal components and with a fail-safe internal driver. Finally, GE backs the quality and reliability with a 5-year limited warranty.
Wow, well, it certainly seems like you've thought of it all when it comes to LED HID Type 8 replacement lamps.
We believe it's a great solution for end users. We now have an LED replacement for 80% of our HID portfolio. We look forward to our LED HID being a major platform for years to come, and one that will continue to meet not only our customers' needs today, but also their future needs.
GE Lighting has done it again. Brian, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for tuning in to this episode of Fast Track, driven by current, powered by GE. See you next time.